The Content Blocks Builder plugin allows you to create custom block variations with just one click right on the block editor. Let's create some simple variations for some core blocks. Assume that we need a specific heading style for our content. We'll create a variation for the heading block for that purpose. First, insert a heading block. Add an icon to it using the With Icon feature from the Block Enhancements plugin. Add some custom style for the heading. Now let's create our heading variation by click the Add to Block Variations menu item. Input the name and save. The variation has been ready to use. Now, we'll create another variation for a group block containing a heading text with a short description and a separator. Let's build our section. First, insert a group block. Then add a heading for the main title, a paragraph for the short description, and an icon separator block for the separator. Click the Add to Block Variations menu item to create our group variation. We'll go to the Edit Variation page to input some more data. Let's add a custom icon for it instead of the default group icon. Add a description. We also can change the content and block settings. Let's use our variation.